Factory rear deck speakers are often the weakest link in a car's whole sound system. In this video, we are ranking 7 of the best 6x9 car speakers for rear deck upgrades, from a budget 3-way to a premium multi-way design. Every pick here drops into most factory rear deck cutouts without extra fabrication. We are covering 6 different brands and speaker configurations, so there's a fit for nearly any car and budget. Stick around to find the right upgrade for your rear deck. Number 1. The Pioneer TS F6935R. The Pioneer TS F6935R opens this list as the most affordable rear deck option. This 3-way coaxial speaker pairs a full-range woofer with a dedicated tweeter and a small super tweeter for extended high-frequency detail. A 230-watt max power rating gives this pair enough headroom for noticeable improvement over a tired factory speaker. The coaxial design mounts all 3 drivers on a single frame, so installation stays simple without extra wiring or crossovers. Pioneer's silver and black cone finish gives a clean, factory-plus look through most rear deck grills. This speaker suits drivers upgrading a stock system for the first time who want an obvious jump in clarity. It also suits anyone replacing blown factory speakers who wants a drop-in fit without custom brackets. The 3-way design spreads frequency response more evenly than a basic 2-way speaker, adding detail to vocals and cymbals alike. The included mounting hardware works with most factory speaker openings without modification. That plug-and-play simplicity makes it a popular first upgrade for budget-conscious builds. Anyone shopping for a first rear deck upgrade should start with something this straightforward. Number 2. The Alpine SXE-6926S. The Alpine SXE-6926S takes a simpler 2-way approach to this list. This speaker pairs a single woofer with one tweeter, skipping the extra super tweeter found on 3-way designs earlier in this guide. That simpler 2-way layout often produces a more focused mid-range since fewer drivers compete for the same frequency range. Alpine tuned the crossover specifically to balance the woofer and tweeter without needing a separate external crossover box. The polypropylene woofer cone resists moisture and temperature swings better than paper-based cones in less durable speakers. A rubber surround keeps the woofer flexible through repeated bass hits without cracking over time. Alpine's decades of car audio engineering back this design with a reputation for clean, accurate sound reproduction. This speaker suits drivers who prioritize mid-range clarity over maximum output or elaborate multi-driver designs. It also suits anyone who wants proven Alpine reliability in a straightforward, easy-to-install package. Owners often note how well this pairing handles vocals without sounding harsh at higher volumes. That balanced tuning makes it a strong pick for anyone who listens to talk radio as much as music. Number 3. The Kenwood KFC-6966S. The Kenwood KFC-6966S brings the strongest track record in this guide. This 3-way flush-mount speaker has become a staple upgrade pick among car audio installers for years. 400 watts of max power gives this pair meaningful headroom over a typical worn factory speaker. The flush-mount design sits nearly level with the rear deck surface, avoiding the bulky look some aftermarket speakers create. A polypropylene woofer pairs with an electrodynamic tweeter, balancing warm low end with crisp high-frequency detail. Kenwood's heavy-duty magnet design helps the woofer stay controlled during sudden bass hits instead of distorting. Installation stays simple thanks to a design built specifically around common factory mounting depths and hole patterns. This speaker suits drivers who want a widely proven upgrade with a long history of reliable performance. It also suits anyone installing their first aftermarket speakers who wants minimal installation headaches. The included wiring harness adapters simplify installation on many popular vehicle models. Long-term owners frequently mention how consistent the sound stays even after years of daily use. That kind of consistent track record is exactly why installers keep recommending it. Number 4. The Boss Audio NX694. The Boss Audio NX694 steps up to a 4-way driver configuration. This speaker adds a second tweeter stage to the standard 3-way layout, splitting high-frequency duties across 2 dedicated drivers. 800 watts of max power per pair gives this speaker serious headroom for drivers who like their music loud. The 4-way design aims to smooth out the transition between mid-range and treble frequencies more than simpler 2- or 3-way speakers. A 4-ohm impedance rating matches most factory head units without needing an external amplifier. Boss Audio built this speaker as a full-range solution. It can run without a subwoofer for drivers who do not want a separate bass system at higher volumes, where simpler speakers can start to sound harsh or muddy. This speaker suits drivers who like loud music and want the extra stage to stay clean at volume. It also suits anyone replacing a full factory system who wants one clean, full-range solution front to back. That combination of full-range output and driver count makes it a favorite among bass-forward listeners. Number 5. The Pioneer TSA-6991F. The Pioneer TSA-6991F brings the most driver stages on this list. This 5-way speaker splits sound reproduction across 5 dedicated elements, aiming for the most detailed frequency separation in this guide. 700 watts of max power gives this pair strong headroom for drivers who want both volume and detail. Pioneer tuned this design specifically as a factory replacement, matching the balanced, smooth sound signature the A-Series Plus line is known for. Installation adapters come included, which simplifies mounting into a wide range of factory rear deck openings. The extra driver stages help maintain clarity at both very low and very high volumes, where simpler 2- or 3-way speakers can start to blur together. That balanced tuning favors accurate reproduction over an aggressive, bass-heavy sound signature. This speaker suits drivers who want the most refined factory-style sound available in a direct replacement speaker. It also suits anyone upgrading a stock system who wants noticeably more detail without stepping up to a component setup. Owners frequently describe the sound as noticeably closer to a home stereo than a typical car speaker. Number 6. The Kicker CS Series. The Kicker CS Series brings a name serious car audio builders trust. This coaxial speaker pairs a durable woofer with a smooth-sounding tweeter, tuned for clear, balanced output rather than harsh, fatiguing treble. Kicker engineered the crossover specifically to protect the tweeter from distortion at higher volumes, extending its usable life. A poly-injection cone resists warping from heat and moisture better than basic paper cones used in less durable speaker lines. The tweeter uses a soft dome design, which produces a smoother high-frequency response than the harder domes found on some budget speakers. Kicker's reputation for durability comes from decades of building speakers meant to survive real-world daily use, not just lab testing. This speaker suits drivers who want proven Kicker engineering without stepping up to the brand's full component speaker lineup. It also suits anyone prioritizing smooth, fatigue-free listening over maximum raw volume. That focus on longevity makes it a common choice for daily drivers that rack up serious highway miles. The smoother treble also makes long road trips noticeably less fatiguing on the ears. Number 7. The JBL GTO 939. The JBL GTO 939 closes this list as the premium performance-tuned choice. This 3-way coaxial speaker comes from JBL's GTO Performance lineup, a series built around motorsport-inspired audio engineering. 300 watts of max power gives this pair strong, controlled output without needing an external amplifier. JBL's +1 woofer cone technology increases surface area within the same frame size, producing more bass output than a standard cone of the same diameter. A separate tweeter handles high frequencies with the clarity JBL built its car audio reputation on for decades. The crossover network splits frequencies precisely, keeping the woofer and tweeter working within their strongest ranges rather than overlapping. JBL's decades of engineering experience, both in car audio and professional sound, show in how composed this speaker sounds even at higher volumes. This speaker suits drivers who want a well-known, performance-oriented name as their final upgrade. It also suits anyone building out a complete factory replacement system who wants every position to match in quality. For a rear deck upgrade that finishes a system rather than starting one, this is the last speaker on this list worth considering. That is 7 of the best 6x9 car speakers for rear deck upgrades, covering 6 brands and 4 different driver configurations. If one of these picks fits your rear deck, the links are in the description below.